And what's good, YouTube? It's Supreme J here. Now I am all sweaty and whatnot because I just got done working out and it's really hot. But today we are getting ready for a huge showcase hosted by Gyat Autohaus. He is hosting a showcase where he handpicked people to be invited to come and showcase their cars to media, photographers, videographers, all of that good stuff. And so I got to get the car ready. So my boy Jose Wraps, he put on this special decal sponsored by Jose Wraps. We have the Gyat logo right there. Rear fitment looking all right. Nothing I can do about the rear sidewall. That's just not something that I can get fixed or change in time. But the only real issue with my car that I don't like right now is the wheel fitment on the front fenders. So to counter that, I went ahead and ordered some front spacers to fix that issue. I think they're in here. I already took them out. They're probably, yeah, they're over there somewhere. So yeah, I ordered some front spacers to take care of that issue. So we're gonna get them thrown on and that's gonna take care of that. Now before I could do that, I had to buy some sockets and an impact gun. So I got my little sockets now. I know that these are cheap, but just for the time being. But I did buy a really nice, good quality impact gun, which we got over here. It's a little messy right now, but it's all good. We got it somewhere over here. We got this bad boy right here. So, and I got a jack now, so we're gonna jack the car up, take the wheels off, and take the spacers off, and get the fitment looking nice. Alrighty, so we got these from Turner Motorsports right here. These are 20mm spacers, and you can see just how thick they are. So yeah, they're for M cars, and they're good quality. So now we're gonna get the car jacked up. Alrighty, so if you guys are wondering what size it is, it's a 17mm. You guys can see right here, boom. So we are gonna get these off right now. Alrighty, we got the wheel off. So now it's time to take out the 15mm spacer and get on the 20mm spacer. And just like that, the Turner Motorsport one, it just slides right in, no fitment issues whatsoever, which is perfect. And so now we're gonna get the wheel back on. All right, it's all back on. I got the wheels locked in. You can see right there. And we're about to see how the fitment looks. So let's. A lot better now on the front. Really gotta take this fender liner off. That's annoying me. But yeah, the fitment looks a lot better now. You guys can see it's almost tucked perfectly. And if you guys want to see the difference, let me show you guys. I mean, that to me just looks a lot better though. A little tight in here right now, but straight to the other way, you know, it's more tucked, it doesn't look as good. And yeah, I feel like that way just looks a lot better. And what's good, YouTube? It's Supreme J here. Now today we have a huge showcase meet hosted by my boy Gael, aka Gyat. He made a special shirt, which is cool. But yeah, so basically he handpicked people that he wanted to come out to this location, and the media is gonna have like an hour early to like take a bunch of pictures and videos of people's cars, and then it's turning into like a public meet, which is a really cool idea. It's cool to be a part of something exclusive. And yeah, so right now I'm just waiting on my boy George, and then we're gonna roll in together. I already seen some cars go by, some pretty cool cars. So that's what I like about it, is that since he's handpicking people, it's a bunch of good quality builds and nothing boof. About time. We spotted the Pagani. Yeah, let's head to the.
Or you can go in and then go reverse. Oh, yeah?
We are here. Let's get it. Bro, our exhaust sound insane, huh?
Are we fine?
Yeah, we cool. The exhaust sound insane, bro.
Yeah. It does sound crazy, yeah.
Wow, wow, wow. For sure when we pulled
What's
in.
up, man?
Yeah, for now. Yeah, it's been
She called out.
All the content fully packaged.
What's up, Panda
If
Boy?
it does break, okay, yeah, it costs a lot of money, but you can make all your money through that. Car looks good. Fitment's ass.
How's it ass?
Bro, your TE fitment was way better.
I literally fixed it from now.
It sit so much lower, it sits so much nicer.
Like, how did it sit lower?
Bro, keep the night, you see?
Just a little, maybe.
He wants the Diddy bagel.
The Diddy bagel.
Diddy bagel with extra sauce.
Extra white sauce.
Extra cum sauce. A white cum sauce.
That's insane, bro.
It makes you gain 10 horsepower.
10, what the f? Yeah.
I don't even feel offended about it. It's just...
Damn, and he has the trunk too.
What do you want me to do, bro? It doesn't have any sauce on it, bro.
Ooh.
Best muscle, best JDM. 6 of them.
What is track spec even? Who's considered actual track spec? Best of show. Gee, I wonder who that's gonna go to. Pagani. That's crazy. You don't even need to do nothing in your car. You just buy it like that and you get best of show. Damn, that is crazy. All over Sean. All over Sean. Sheesh. Yeah. That's a real man's car right there. Ooh. Little Skyline.
No one gives a shit if you have a pump and that's still G8.
Ooh, Chino has a girlfriend.
Yes,
now.
sir.
That's insane.
When did you ask her out?
Oh, next year, next year.
Oh, you're gonna ask her?
Officially, yeah.
Ooh.
I meet her parents this Tuesday.
YouTube seen it
They
first.
have to
YouTube seen it
approve,
first.
Huh?
Do they have to approve? So you ask her out, huh? Let's see how that
And I
goes.
asked how you like
I have to buy like 2 bouquets.
You have to
like,
put on
make
the-
I gotta buy like the individual flyers, make the bouquets, poster, fucking all the other stuff.
Ooh, Simp Nation. Dwell in not being a member, Chino.
LZ pack.
It's called, I forgot to order.
That's why that Vary's Subaru is all over you.
Okay,
With the chrome TEs.
that motherfucker is like 30 plus, bro.
Say dada.
No.
He's gonna get best track spec. Ooh.
I'm not track spec, I'm fucking back.
Cry about it, Tubby.
Fucking Tubbs.
Let's go to short.
Ooh, Chino's on the hunt for dogs and cats to eat. Ooh.
Hey, bro, it'd be so good you'll think it's chicken. It's good.
He's the one saying it. What's your favorite? What's your favorite type of dog, Chino?
Compound.
Compound chicken.
Kung Pao dog?
No, compound chicken, dog.
What is it?
How did I do that? What?
Yeah, Chris. I got it on camera, Chris.
Like a homeless person took a
I
shit.
got it on camera. Alright, y'all. We just got some McDonald's and we got back, and yeah, it's fat now. Jeez.
Yeah, I got fat because I'm here. Nah, fuckers.
Oh,
I ain't
brother.
shit.
Polar bear in Arlington, Texas.
I fucking
GTR.
all over you, cool.
Damn.
All over you,
Taking over Tracy.
Ooh,
GTR.
CR1. Ooh, Ooh,
Hey,
Ricky's car.
Chris, what if I just said fuck the M4 and let me get a GTR? What if I just said that?
Yeah, bro. Literally insane, bro. What the fuck?
But look how good the
Damn.
GTR
Coke, fat.
I am cool.
How bad do you want it?
I want it fucking down already.
All over Sean.
That's the
Sean, say dada.
That's the one that Nando shot with. Yeah, that's the one that Nando shot.
Clean, brother.
That's the one that Nando shot.
There's some heat here now, bro. You got new headlights. That's duo right here. Oh. Come on, Chris. We'll get on the vlog.
So you're welcome. It's a tiny little apartment, but I'm happy to have it.
Oh, okay. For $1. You gotta do it with a little bit more muscle. Like that was. Swag.
Okay. Oh, yeah, we got the hood and the trunk top. Yeah. Full carbon body. That's insane. So clean. I almost wanted to do this color, I ain't gonna lie. I'm into it. It was fire. Oh my god. Yeah, that's terrible. Oh, I love this Porsche. So clean. Put a custom wide body on it. Bro, look at this engine cover. Munch. That's insane. Somebody's a munch. AMG GT. Love this car. Cool Chris just won. Show off the award. Show off the award. Let's go,
Appreciate
baby.
you guys. Hell yeah. It was close. I don't want to say it was. Dude, they were going back and forth.
Now you gotta pop the hood, bro, and put on the engine bay. Best muscle. Well deserved. Well deserved.